Hi, my name is Jasmine. I'm the graduate for Business Baking Class 10.0. So when I first joined the baking class, I'm only a normal home baker that I bake for my family. But now I do have a small business selling to the customer. What I learned during the business baking class is we understand the ingredient. By understanding them, it will increase your success rate baking the cake and also the texture of the cake. At the same time, we do have a lot of hands-on during the class for decoration and also other pastries. This will also help other homemakers that they want to do business. It will increase the volume if you can decorate nicely of your cakes. So what you need to do is like Facebook for Say Cakes, and I definitely encourage people to join the baking class. Thank you.